Hi Dr. Ho, I hope I am not catching you at a bad time.
Hi, not at all. I just finished a meeting, but I do have only 5 minutes to spare.
That is not going to be a problem. What is the first thing that you need to start your day right?
I always start with Bloomberg News.
Why do you do what you do?
Well, I was in the private sector for 16 years, and I co-founded NAMIC. So NAMIC is in the business of helping companies transform using 3D printing technologies.
What does the machine behind you do?
This is a selective laser sintering system, prints plastic products. This is actually a casing that is built for a drone.
Can you think of one misconception of additive manufacturing?
It's not just a technology for the hobbyists and creatives. It's been used in industrial manufacturing for different sectors such as biomedical. Come, let me show you the lab.
How can additive manufacturing solve the world's supply chain crisis?
You can fabricate parts direct from the design. It can actually be used for addressing some of the supply shortage. For example, in the recent pandemic, we use it for face masks, face shields, and nasal swabs.
How did Nemic help in the pandemic?
Back in March, Singapore had a shortage of nasopharyngeal swabs. So we put together a team that developed a cost-effective, patient-trialed nasopharyngeal swab solution in 2 months.
Why are you drawn to manufacturing?
I was exposed to manufacturing since young. I used to help in my father's furniture manufacturing workshop when I was young.
What is it that you do?
Well, this is a 3D printed bathroom. You can see it's actually concrete, but it's made out of fly ash. Fly ash is a byproduct of incinerated waste. We also do printed parts for biomedicals. This is actually an acetabular titanium implant for hip joints.
Is additive manufacturing the future of manufacturing?
Yes, personally, I believe so.
Why?
Well, it's a technology that will help slow down climate change and enable sustainability.
How can it do that?
The aviation sector, people use it to lightweight products. So essentially that helps to reduce carbon emission. The other thing is you ship files instead of shipping products, so that reduces the freight activities and reduce carbon emission.
Which new sectors are adopting additive technology?
Currently, the space industry is taking off with this technology. It's used for rocket or propulsion engines. For the clean tech sector, people use it for 3D printed batteries, for some of the infrastructure that is in the clean tech renewable energy space.
Why are companies reluctant to adopt Industry 4.0 technologies?
Companies don't adopt technologies, they adopt solutions. If they can make money or save costs with it, they will move in the direction. I 4.0 technology can enable both. I just realized I need to check a machine. We can walk as we talk.
Sure, okay.
Come, let me show you the DMG Morisaki. This is a hybrid machine. It has both additive and subtractive machining functions.
How does Nemic engage companies?
We don't push technology onto the company. We try to understand the pain points and establish a value proposition for AM adoption.
What is a motto that you live by?
I try to do the best every day I can, and of course, hopefully impact society.
How do you see Nemic evolve in 5 years?
If we do our job well, there's no need for NAMIC in 5 years' time, especially when additive manufacturing is ubiquitous in everyday life and industries.
That is all I have today. Thank you, Dr. Ho.
Great talking to you. Bye.
Goodbye.